Welcome to the Dave It Yourself channel, the home of unique RC creations and unique RC views. Dave It Yourself, stick around. Good morning, friends. It's Dave with Creative Drones on the Dave It Yourself channel. Today I'm out here in a different part of Georgia, in North Georgia, in Dalton. I'm at the church over here in Dalton. Got a cool little pond over here. The reason I've got the cool little pond and why I'm over here at this church is because I want to fly the UMX Turbo Timber with the Insta360 Go in it and the pontoons that I've got on there. But first, what I wanted to try was something I haven't had on my channel in a while, and that's some drone work. And this particular drone that I have today is the TRIPHIBIAN. This is a land, air, and sea drone. It has capability of being a standard drone in this configuration, and then with a flip of the button, those move forward. Now you can drive it on land or water. So I'm going to do a little testing with that and show you exactly how that goes. So if you want to see how that all works around, as well as some of that UMX Turbo Timber action and Hunter, go ahead and stick around. Yeah, just have to let that one go. Okay. Let me set him down real quick. Oh, he's already waiting. Okay. All right.
What do you want for Christmas?
Yeah. Okay. All right, I think we're good to go here. So let's see how this does first, and if I can handle it pretty well, then we'll let you break the drone out. Let's see how we're doing. Now, as far as launching it here, I guess I may have to just hand launch it.
No, go from here.
Oh.
Just less green and more.
Okay. Definitely get the chance to see, I mean, clearly you can see which way the wind's going. So. Yeah. All right. Right here seems like a good enough spot. I'm gonna put this bad boy in there. It is a blinking. Hopefully push that back out of the way. All right. All right. It doesn't want to, it's wanting to do its own thing. Let's see here. Okay, there we go. Into the wind. Oh. 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 All right. Oh, look at him being blown sideways. Hang on, let me land him real quick and then try it again. Yeah. Oh, oh. of that tree. Oh! Oh no! Oh!
Tango down.
We're running for it! What happened? Oh, okay. Dang it. Hey, but at least it kept the camera from coming out.
Yeah.
Nice. All right.
Nothing a little paper taping on.
Let's see what we got. Oh, and the camera's still rolling. Oh, that's going to be an interesting one. What'd you think about that, friends? That's Turbo Timber excitement at its finest. All right. So, I'll get it over there, fly it back, and show you how easy it is. Okay? And we'll test out the whole other stuff. So, throttle. Okay, now you float it and then kick that forward. Now it's a boat.
Hold on.
The drone that's a boat. The drone that's a drone. Oh, it's windy out here, boy. Let's see if the TRIPHIBIAN can make it through the, oh yeah, it's getting blown back. Let's see if I can make it through the, Alright. Come on, wind. Oh, it's fighting that wind. Alright. Let's bring it in. Let's bring it down to that asphalt. Yeah. Yeah. Not exactly sure, but. Oh! That was a little on the rough side. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do click. Let you learn a little card mode. Hang on. Yeah. Hang on, I'll move it that way. He is low. Flip the switch. Left. Now just try to land it on that water softly. Land it. It may need some trimming, but just manage your throttle and get it on that water. Doink. Well, don't drop it in from way up there. Kill some throttle. There you go. I'll kill your throttle and I'll hit your button. And then boat mode. Boat mode! You can do some heavy jumps with it too. Whoa, boat mode. It's flying like that. It's flying in boat mode. It's awesome. I think the other button does tricks, but you're gonna have to have it in regular drone mode for that. And then push your stick one way or the other. Or not. Let that wind take it away. Speaking of that, is the plane still on the bench over there? It is. Zoom issues there. We can certainly try.
Now